Oh, this is heavy. Yeah, this is heavy. Hi loves, welcome to the vlog on my channel. I haven't really decided what exactly this video is gonna be, whether it'll be like a pack with me or a day in the life or what it is, but I've been thinking about this concept since I went to Hawaii, because when I posted the Hawaii vlog and when I posted pictures on Instagram, people could not believe that that was all that I packed and that I packed it in such a small suitcase. So I was thinking in my head, let me show y'all again, because mind you, I've done a pack with me video and I shared it before we went to Aruba, and so many people thought that that video was fake, it wasn't real. Even though I showed you guys packing for the trip, and then I showed you guys unpacking when I got to Aruba, and then I showed you guys packing again and coming back. I don't know what else I can show you, but I'm gonna kind of go through that again and we'll see like where this video goes. So just join me as I pack. It's literally, I'm tired, I'm not gonna lie. It's like 11 o'clock at night. I just got back from a dinner and our flight leaves at 5 in the morning. So hopefully you can resonate with the type of life that I live. But lately my life has been very back to back to back to back, which I'm appreciative of, because I did ask for this, I did manifest this. However, your girl is tired, for real. So let's go back. I need some water and I think that we're out. Today's April 30th, Wednesday, April 30th, and I had a live this morning with Macy's. Then we had to go to the juice bar because my husband owns a juice bar. Then I needed to come back and do some content, some hair content, which is why my hair is like this. And I think I'm just going to wear my hair like this on the trip because I don't have any other time. And then I went to a surprise birthday dinner for my sister, birthday/welcome home dinner for her. And now it's 11 o'clock and I'm home. On my little island in my closet, you guys already saw my whole closet reveal and like organization with Cricut. I have the suitcase. So the suitcase is right here. I think I mentioned this before. I want to say it's from Bed Bath & Beyond, but we did get it as a wedding gift. By the time we had our wedding, it was like a year later. So I can't give you the exact details, but this is the... I'm actually slightly unpacking just to show you guys the suitcase. I'm going to try to find it online. So this is... Oh my God. Oh my God. Does this have a hole in it? This is the suitcase in terms of size reference. This suitcase is small. Typically a carry-on suitcase is anywhere from, I want to say 20 to 24 inches. I think that this one is 20, to be honest with you. I'm only 5'2", so I'm thinking that this is a 20-inch suitcase. So if I wanted to go bigger, I could go up to a 24-inch suitcase. But either way it goes, it's something in between the 20 and 24-inch suitcase. So here's my suitcase in the inside. It's open. There's no compartments. There's only this mesh that zips this part closed, and then these two hooks. Okay, so if you wanted to know, there is a lock on here that I've never used, like, because it's a carry-on size, I don't need to lock it for any reason. So I'm actually going to legit like play some music and I'm just going to pack this suitcase. But I'll show you guys kind of what I've set out to take with me first. Oh, and I want to show you some new shoes because I got some new shoes in the mail. So the first one is these Kogaya heels. Here is the box. I am loving the box. It's like a mauve kind of color. I did my nails too. They're so cute. I like them. And in metallic it says Kogaya. Right now I want to say that Saks is doing a family and friends sale. So Kogaya was like 25% off, something like that. I'm gonna leave links though, especially if these items are still like on sale. But even if they're not, I will definitely leave them. So I got a pair of heels from Kogaya. And if you know anything about Kogaya, they do resort wear like no other. I broke my nail too. Like, I broke it. Everybody always asks me how I break nails. I don't know. I'm just so rough on my hands. But I like split this nail. I'm gonna put it back on, but anyways, these are the Kogaya heels, and sadly I've been watching these heels for maybe like 2 years. They've had them out for a minute and they just went on sale, and they're really flats, low-key. If you guys know my thing with flats, then you'll understand. If you don't know my thing with flats, watch my last Hawaii luxury haul. So these are actually flats, but y'all, you see the platform, and then they loop up, and then they also have like this really puffy material here. I love these, and when I tried them on, oh my god, impressed, thoroughly impressed with the comfort in these. So these are gonna be like my main heels. These are from Kogaya, and then the other shoes that I got are from a black owned brand called Kendall Miles. Now Kendall Miles, I've been following her for a while. I would say like 3 or 4 years. Okay, so one of her shoes came with this anklet. You guys will see it on the trip, so I'm not gonna go deep into that. But literally, I have 3 pair of shoes, man. So these are her these are her mules. I can't remember what they're called. Maybe they're not Foxy Flats, but these are her mules. They come with a dust bag. Y'all, just as good as my Giuseppe's. This is how my Giuseppe's got shipped, okay? So dust bag. And she has a better dust bag. For sure, it's much thicker. And this is one of the shoes. And they're green, and they're satin, and they're mules. I'm not going to show y'all too much, because I want to show these in a like black owned business luxury haul or something like that. Like this video if you want to see another black owned business haul, because I did one and y'all were loving it. But yeah, another one from Kendall Miles. These two are flats. I have two of these boxes. They're both flats, so I'm not going to go into like real details, but the flats, the Foxy Flats, come with the purple or the lavender dust bag. And then I got a blue pair of flats. Y'all see this? You'll see the fur. I am so excited. Matter of fact, let me take this out because I think I'm going to be taking these with me. Another one, Kendall Miles. And I also got the black. Her heels, her shoes are 10 out of 10. I will recommend. They are amazing quality. Like, the quality is there. The price isn't that bad. Get them. I'm trying to tell you right now. You guys will see this again in a black owned business haul of some sort. And let me pack because I do want to go to bed. Hey Siri, play Tim's Radio on Spotify.
Tim's Radio, now playing on Spotify.
the clothes are actually in it. And I know that people are gonna like heavily disagree with this. This is the clothes. But this, trust me, this is gonna lay fairly flat. And typically on this side, all I do is shoes, makeup, accessories, that type of thing. And then any other filler areas, I will do clothes. Because I like to have pieces that mix and match. I typically don't put my shoes in a bag, but because these are new and I do want to preserve them, I am gonna pack my Kendall Miles flats together. How I would normally do my shoes. This trip, I want to make it an actual vacation, because even though I've manifested so many trips, they've all been, I've worked on all of them. And this one in particular, I've worked my ass off, my arse off, okay? Not have to work for at least one of these trips. So this trip, I want to be able to relax. So I'm gonna pack shoes that I can like look cute in, but like still relax in. There's only one outfit I don't have a pair of shoes from, and honestly, I don't even care no more. I was tripping on it before, but now I do not care. I don't care. Whatever happens, happens. And also inside of my bags, like I'm bringing this Brandon Blackwood bag. I've brought it on a couple of trips. It's really like a travel beach summery bag. It's a wicker trunk and it's mini. But inside of my bag, I have a perfume, a hair oil, and all of my jewelry. So this actually is heavy, but it's filled with valuables. So I do love that, you know, you can use your pieces for multi-uses. Definitely don't ever think. It actually works better because it keeps them nice and tight in your suitcase so that, you know, stuff isn't moving around. And then let me show you this real quick. So the side that I have my shoes on, there's gonna be holes. So in the holes is where you want to put your extra clothes, accessories, anything like that. And typically I would bring sneakers on a trip or like boots or something, and I would stuff my sunglasses into them. But this time I'm gonna put my sunglasses in my carry-on for sure. Everybody knows that when you pack your shoes, so here's clothes. This isn't gonna be over here, but so clothes are packed, right? But this side is like, it's kind of full, it's kind of empty. You see all of these gaps? These are good gaps for underwear, pajamas, extra pieces of clothing, things like that. You want to stuff this so that this isn't moving around. So in here I have all of my makeup and skincare. Literally all of it I fit in this, the lip bar bag. This is a new collaboration. I just really wanted to bring this back. So these items are likely going to go in here. I might add like, I don't know if I'm going to bring those green pants, but these items are definitely going to go in here. We're going to stuff them in there. This extra bag. Honestly, I might put some underwears or some can fit in here in my pajamas. So we're going to go ahead and do this, and then I'll close up my suitcase. And when I get to my destination, I will unpack so I can show you guys how much I brought. And mind you, this is my carry-on, and it looks large on camera, although it's not. And this bag right now is empty. So the only thing there's nail glue, a speaker, and some mask. And this little tripod thing. But for my phone. But that's the only thing that's in this. Oh, and a hair tie. But that's literally the only thing that's in here. So in here I'll put like my passport, my global entry card, and passport, global entry, and vaccination card. I'll put that in there. Like anything that's valuable, my wallet, I'll put it in here. And whatever purse I'm going to bring, I'll also put it into this bag. So this is literally just essentials, but I can guarantee you this bag will not be full. So let me go ahead and pack this side of the suitcase and close it up, and then I will be back.
They left a sign, will be open soon, bringing memories.
Alright, so it is midnight. I am done. So crazy to me. My flight leaves at like 5 in the morning, so I'm gonna try to get 3 hours of sleep. This is typical me, but this bag is now packed. The only other thing, it's kind of heavy too, but it's not full. Like, as you can see, it's only like halfway, but I have mainly electronics in here. So chargers, cameras. I do have one pair of shoes, but it's primarily chargers, cameras, cards, and then like all of my documentation, like passports, my ID and stuff. My wallet is gonna go in here. All of that stuff is gonna go into this bag. My purse is currently in the car, so I'll probably just like tackle that in the morning, like get my wallet out. But I don't really need a whole lot for my purse, but any essentials that I need, I'm gonna put in here, along with this camera that I'm currently using and the tripod that I'm currently using. So other than that, we are good to go. I cannot for the life of me find my handheld tripod, but if I can find that one, I'm gonna add that into this. I'm not trying to stress myself out though, so whatever gets added, gets added. Again, I'm gonna try to make this a vacation and not a work trip, because I need a real live break. But that is how I pack, so I'll see you guys in the DR, and because that's where I'm going next. This is how I pack, okay? This is it. You just saw me pack that bag with all of that stuff, and here's the bag. Is this kind of heavy? Oh, this is heavy. Yeah, this is heavy, but it's small. But I ain't gonna lie, this got some weight to it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, so we made it here. Now, this is the setup. This is what I packed. My Maje bag is my carry-on, or my personal item, sorry. And then my suitcase is my carry-on. I did not use the extenders on it. You can see the extenders are closed on both sides. So if it were open, the suitcase would be a lot wider, but it is not. So I'm actually gonna unpack a couple of things and put them in the closet so that I can kind of keep things together. But yeah, here's the hotel.
You asked me why I'm doing all this. But even if I told you why, I doubt very strongly that the knowledge would change anything at all.